So, how many times have you seen your favorite YouTube content creator leave their live stream and you see them do what they call a raid? The official name for that is called a redirect. And you're wondering, how on earth do they do that? Like, what is that all about? YouTube has this feature and it's been around a long time, and maybe a lot of creators may not have already heard about it. And it is the official name is called a redirect, right? It's called a redirect. And what that simply means is that if a content creator is on a live stream and once they finish their live stream, let's say they have 20, 30, 100 people in their live stream doing that chat, they just chatting away. They have all these cool people hanging out with them on their live stream, and they decide, well, you know what? Maybe some of these great people in my chat might want to go over to someone else's live and just give them a visit, maybe just to see if they enjoy their content. And it's just a way to support other content creators and possibly get them some eyes on their channel. And if those people in that chat enjoying what they're seeing, who knows? They very well may decide to hang around, subscribe, and become a part of that community. So now that you know what a redirect is, or a AKA raid, let's figure out how you can soon become a raider yourself. And yeah, we use the term raid, and we oftentimes use like little slang terms like having pilot license, or we'll fly over, or sometimes people even take what they call the Uber. But we're going to teach you how you can get your pilot license and fly over internationally to do a raid, or what is actually called a redirect. So first of all, let's go here. Okay, so first of all, let's say you're on your live stream and you decide that you're going to go ahead and set that raid up, or the redirect up, before you decide to start your live stream. I've already set up a mock live stream that we're going to be raiding from. So let's see. Okay, so what we would do is, first of all, you see here, this is your main page of your channel. Okay, you see your channel. Oh, by the way, I messaged you your favorite auntie in case I didn't tell you already, but you can see the name on the screen, okay? You see this little cute little icon right about here. Can you see it? It's right here on the corner here. Where you see your icon, it's a little picture of you right here. Okay? So if you click on that, you want to locate YouTube Studio. Okay, YouTube Studio. Click on that one. Your YouTube Creator Studio. It's going to take you to your studio. Now, what you want to do next, you want to go to where it says content. You see this little thingy right here? The second one is where your actual content is. And what you want to do next is you want to grab these headers here. You're going to go to where you see a live. Okay? See live right here. And after that, you're going to scroll down to where the live is that you have already either set up, or you have already set it up, or you are in the process of setting it up. So in this case, I've already set up a live stream. Once you are here, you want to click on this. You can either click on this, but I would suggest you click on the little icon here that says details, okay? All right, so then that's going to take you to this page, and you see right here where it says customization, okay? Now this is a live stream that you've already set up, okay? This is after you've already set one up. You can also do this while you are setting it up. What we're going to click on, you have the little pencil icon here, and then you have the little thingy here that looks like a little, I don't know what you call this little thing, but you see it right here, right? Click on this. It says customization. Okay, once you click on it, you're going to see stream customization, okay? Now this is for the one that you actually have already set up. And you're going to scroll down, scroll it down, all the way down to where it says redirect. See, redirect, okay? Now, what you want to do next is you want to click add. Okay. Now, if you have a premiere that's coming up, you can also look for your own videos. But in this case, it says I have no upcoming live or things like that. So I don't have anything upcoming. Okay, so what you want to do here is you want to send it to someone else, and you're going to go over to this one that says search videos from other channels. You see, search videos from other channels. Okay, let's make sure you can see all of that, other channels, right? So you want to click in here. Okay, now once you click in here, you're going to see a plethora of different channels that are available. Okay, the people who are actually already live. Okay. Now, here's the thing. You want to make sure that this person is still on their live stream. Now, you don't want to click on something that says upcoming or pending, or unless you know that you will be getting off your live much later. So you have all of these, okay? These are all upcoming. But I would suggest that you click on someone who is already live. Okay, you have several people you can select from. We're going to just click on this one, okay? It's showing that he's actually live here. You want to click on that one, okay? And you can see that once you clicked on, you've chosen one, you see you can either edit it if you want to put someone else, you decide you don't want that person, or if you decide that you want to remove that video, you have that option. But once you have chosen the person who you want to go live with, you're going to make sure you hit this. This is the main thing, guys. Make sure that you select save. Okay, make sure you hit save, because if you don't hit save, you're going to be thinking that you're able to smoothly transition or take your flight over to that person's live stream, and you won't be able to. So just make sure you hit save, and once it's no longer lights up, it lets you know that you've already made the save. Okay, and it's just that simple. And there it is. You can see right here that it's already saved. All right, and there you go. So that's the easy way to do that. Simple and easy, guys. I told you, simple and easy, because I like simple and easy. If you have any questions about this, if you want to learn how to actually set up yourself for a raid, stay tuned. I have another video coming out. You want to check it out. If you enjoyed this video, send this video to somebody who is struggling to figure out how to do live streaming raids. All right, guys, that's it. That's all. Thanks so much. I appreciate you. Until next time, get ready to raid, baby. Get your pilot license. Mrs. G, your favorite auntie, and that's how we do it.
Welcome aboard G International Airlines. We offer the finest snacks and mango juice, no receipts allowed. Grab what you like.
Enjoy your flight.
And remember, tips are accepted.